Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to check Facebook video views. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to check Facebook video views, as you guys can see, I just posted a video on my Facebook, but it doesn't shows me views anywhere. I can just know like who liked my video over here, as you guys can see over here. So in a normal Facebook post, you cannot see like who viewed your video over here, like how many people viewed your video. You can just see the number of interaction and comment it gets. But like if you post a story, then it's a completely different thing. Like in Facebook story, you can see who reacted to your story and who are the people who viewed it and the number of views. So my Facebook story has 2 views over here and reaction from one of my this friend over here. So you can only view the number of views in your story but not in a normal Facebook post. But remember, if you create a business Facebook page, then you can know like the number of views you get on the video you post there. So to see the exact number of people who viewed your videos, then you have to open a Facebook business page and then publish video on that. So yeah, so you can check the analytics over there. So yeah, that's the only way you can see views on Facebook. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.